Marshall recently dropped a bomb in the audio world with the release of the Marshall Emberton III, and trust me when I tell you, this tiny beast is more than just an upgrade. Packed with incredible features and sound that'll make your jaw drop, this compact speaker is ready to revolutionize how we think about portable sound. So stick around as we dive deep into everything the Marshall Emberton III has to offer. This is one review you won't want to miss. And hey, for more information and the best current prices, check out the link waiting for you in the description box below. Right off the bat, let's talk about what makes this speaker so good. The Emberton III rocks that classic Marshall style that we all know and love. It's got that iconic amp-inspired design that just screams rock and roll heritage. You can grab it in either classic black or this super clean cream color that both look absolutely stunning. The build quality here is seriously impressive. When you pick up this speaker, the first thing you'll notice is how light it is, just 1.5 pounds. But don't let that fool you, this thing is built like a tank. Marshall went all out with the durability, giving it an IP67 rating. That means you can literally dunk this speaker in 3 feet of water for half an hour and it'll keep on working just fine. Now that's what we call waterproofing. The controls are brilliantly simple too. There's this really cool brass control knob that handles everything. Volume, tracks, power, you name it. It's super responsive and adds this perfect touch of classic Marshall style. They've also added this sleek red LED strip that shows your battery life at a glance. And here's something really cool. Every time you turn on the Emberton III, it plays this awesome little guitar riff that goes up, and when you power down, it plays a descending riff. It's little touches like these that really show how much thought Marshall put into making this speaker special. Now let's get into the really exciting stuff. What's happening under the hood? Marshall packed this little beast with 2 10-watt full-range drivers and 2 passive radiators. That might not sound like much on paper, but wait until you hear what these can do. They're using something called true stereophonic sound. Basically, you get amazing 360-degree audio that fills up any space with incredible sound. For the latest deals and availability, don't forget to hit up the link in the description box below. One of the coolest new features is something called dynamic loudness. It's pretty clever. The speaker automatically adjusts its sound based on how loud you're playing it. So whether you're keeping it quiet for some background music or cranking it up for a party, everything sounds perfectly balanced. The bass especially stays nice and rich even at lower volumes, which is something a lot of portable speakers struggle with. Let's talk about sound quality, because this is where the Emberton III really shines. The clarity you get from this little speaker is mind-blowing. Vocals come through crystal clear, and all those little details in your favorite songs, you're going to hear them like never before. The highs are crisp and detailed without ever getting harsh or painful to listen to. Marshall's also got you covered with their Bluetooth app. You get 3 different sound presets to play with. There's the classic Marshall sound that's perfect for rock music, a preset that bumps up the bass and treble for extra punch, and one that boosts the mid-range, which is perfect for podcasts and audiobooks. The battery life on this thing is absolutely insane. We're talking over 32 hours of playtime on a single charge. That's 2 more hours than the previous model. In real-world testing, you can easily get 30 hours at 50% volume. And when it's time to charge up, the USB-C port gets you back to full power in just 2 hours. That's way faster than the 3 hours it took with the old model. They're also stepping up the connectivity game with Bluetooth LE audio and something called Auracast coming soon. Once that update hits, you'll be able to connect multiple speakers together and create this awesome multi-speaker setup. There's even a built-in microphone for taking calls, though you won't get voice assistant support with this one. The speaker comes with this handy strap that lets you attach it to your backpack or carry it around easily. It's clear that Marshall designed this with portability in mind. It's perfect for everything from backyard hangouts to hiking adventures. Let's look deeper into how this speaker performs in the real world. Whether you're playing classic rock, chilling with some jazz, or pumping the latest pop hits, the Emberton III handles it all like a champ. At normal listening volumes, the bass is surprisingly powerful for such a small speaker. That true stereophonic technology creates this wide soundstage that'll have you wondering how all that sound is coming from such a compact unit. The speaker also really shines in more intimate settings. Whether you're using it in your bedroom, kitchen, or out on the patio, it delivers this clean, balanced sound that just makes everything better. The dynamic loudness feature really proves its worth here. You get great sound whether you're listening at whisper levels or cranking it up. Now, let's be real for a second. Like any speaker this size, it does have its limits. When you push it to maximum volume, super bass-heavy tracks might get a little distorted, and the highs can get a bit sharp. But here's the thing. Marshall did an amazing job managing these limitations with their dynamic loudness feature. For normal listening levels, which is how most people will use it, the sound is absolutely fantastic. One really cool feature is that you can stack multiple Emberton IIIs together, just like those iconic Marshall amps. It's not just about looks either. Stacking them actually creates this awesome audio setup that can really fill a room. Whether you've got it sitting on your bookshelf or as part of a bigger system, it just works. The portability factor is a huge deal here. At just 1.5 pounds, you can take this speaker anywhere without breaking a sweat. But don't let that lightweight fool you, this thing is built to last. You won't have to baby it or worry about it getting knocked around a bit. It's designed for real-world use. For all you outdoor enthusiasts out there, the weather resistance on this speaker is a game changer. Pool parties? No problem. Dusty camping trips? Bring it on. Surprise rain during your backyard barbecue? The Emberton III keeps the party going no matter what. The Bluetooth LE connection is rock solid and gives you better range than regular Bluetooth. And once that AuraCast feature drops, you'll be able to create these awesome multi-speaker setups that could totally change how you experience your music in different spaces. The Marshall Bluetooth app deserves some love too. It's super easy to use and gives you all the controls you need right at your fingertips. While you can't fully customize the EQ, those 3 presets they give you cover pretty much every listening situation you could think of. Plus, the app keeps your speaker up to date with the latest firmware updates, so it just keeps getting better over time. Let's break down what makes the Emberton III so special. The sound quality is seriously impressive for such a small speaker. You get clear, balanced audio with surprisingly good bass at normal volumes, and that true stereophonic technology creates this amazing immersive experience that seems impossible from a speaker this size. The durability is off the charts with that IP67 rating for water and dust resistance. This speaker is built Marshall tough, just like their legendary amps. Battery life is absolutely killer. Over 32 hours of playtime and super fast USB-C charging puts this speaker way ahead of the competition when it comes to endurance. The design is classic Marshall all the way, but with modern features that make it super easy to use. The simple controls and LED battery indicator mean you're never fumbling around trying to figure things out. The connectivity is future-proof with Bluetooth LE and that upcoming AuraCast support, so you know this speaker is ready for whatever comes next in the world of wireless audio. At $159, the Marshall Emberton III is bringing serious value to the portable speaker game. Sure, you can find cheaper speakers out there, but good luck finding one that combines this level of sound quality, durability, and battery life in such a compact package. The only small drawbacks? You can't fully customize the EQ settings, and it might not be the absolute loudest speaker in its class when pushed to the max. But honestly, these are tiny issues compared to everything this speaker gets right. To wrap things up, the Marshall Emberton III is a seriously impressive piece of gear. It takes everything that made the previous models great and kicks it up several notches. Whether you're using it indoors or taking it on adventures, this speaker delivers reliable, high-quality sound in a package that's built to handle whatever life throws at it. It's especially perfect for anyone who wants a speaker that can keep up with their active lifestyle. The combination of that crazy long battery life and tank-like durability means you can take your music anywhere without worrying about babying your gear. While it might not be the loudest speaker out there, it more than makes up for it with crystal clear sound that makes every listening session better. That covers everything you need to know about the Marshall Emberton III. Don't forget to check out that link in the description for current pricing and availability. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more awesome audio gear reviews coming your way.